Heidi ho, guys and gals, it's Jeff here, No Bear, because we've got a drop everything unicorn deal alert going on right now. Drop what you're doing, get over to Walmart.com, and you're going to want to get this. If you're a DIYer, prosumer, heck, even if you're a budget-minded pro, you might want to consider these. They make great storage boxes. This is the Heart bottom box, top. In fact, we got more than just this. I have to say a huge shout out to the guys and gals over in the Facebook group, the Den of Tools group over there on Facebook. Links are in every video there. They keep finding all these great deals. They've got their unicorn deal tags. They got they renew them every year, and they are bagging the limit on this. Check this out. So look at this. They've been scoring these left and right. This just popped up recently. $350 for both boxes. That's the bottom and the top. And I got more deals on top of that for you real quick here. Who's bringing you this stuff? Come on, you got to love that community over there. 80,000 members right now over in the Facebook group. All right, so we got the top box. This is very similar to the Cobalt one I showed you a few years ago. I'm guessing it comes from the same company because it's practically the same build on it. It just has drawers across the full length, not divided drawers. You still get you can barely see it, but there is the power strip in there with the USB ports, the pass-through, all that good stuff. Love the blue accents on this. $149 for the top. Can you believe that? And the bottom's $200. $200. Now, let's say you're like, hey, I don't want the top box. I'm just going to use it as a cart. Maybe consider this option. It's on clearance also. No idea why they're clearing these out. You never know. Heart's always, Walmart likes to change things up regularly. So Heart has to, match their beat and figure out what they want and come out with new stuff to keep it fresh and whatnot. But this one, if you go with this one, it's got the power strip on the side, so you're not losing on that feature. It's $30 more. You get the power strip, you get the wood top. Maybe you just need the rolling tool cabinet. You don't need the top box. That could be a way to go. Say you need more storage. Put it up on the wall. We got a wall cabinet for you. 36-inch garage storage 2-door cabinet, or you can stack them for a full-size cabinet. This is ridiculous. $117. They're normally $189. This is ridiculous, the pricing on this stuff. Anyway, that said, I got to run. Why? Because I managed to stag my two. There's links down below, by the way. You are going to want to try and order these online because if you take the time to go to the store, you might miss out. My store is about 40 minutes away, depending on the weather, up over a pass. And I don't know. Honestly, it's Friday, 3:30. I got to go check on some reindeer. You'll see on the Instagram if you're following us on Instagram. Anyway, there was one top box left. 2 of the bottom boxes, 1 top box. I just snagged it, paid for it. It's waiting for me. Pick up after 6:09 p.m. Yes, I've covered up the order numbers because I don't trust you guys. Anyway, I got to go pick that up. I hope you get one for you. Don't forget, you want to order it online. Link is down below. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.